Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel code 001, and through this video I will tell you about the languages you should learn as a beginner and from where you can learn these languages for free of cost. I will tell you that also in this video. So some of the peoples are confused which languages they should learn first and from where they can learn these languages free of cost. So I will tell you about some amazing sites from where you can learn these languages for free of cost. First, come to Harvard University. Harvard University, I will tell you about the top three universities from where you can learn languages from free of cost. Okay, first come to Harvard University. Let me open my Chrome and tell you about this Harvard. This provide you free CS courses like web development, app development, and many other courses. Okay, so you can learn some of the CSS courses from this Harvard University. Okay, from your requirement, you can search for courses and learn from these Harvard University. Tell you about Stanford University is one of the amazing universities in the world. It also provide you free courses, free lectures, okay, of web development, CS, software engineering. So you can go with that also. Third, I'm gonna tell you about the MIT University. It is also one of the amazing universities is and you can search in Google and go with that also. Okay, tell you about the one amazing website from where you can develop your skills as a beginner. Okay, so let us talk about the excursism. Okay, excursism. Let me type .org. This is one of the amazing websites if you are a beginner. Okay, let me open this website, and there you can. It is free of cost, so you do not have to pay anything in there, and you can there are available 500 plus languages. You can see here 56 languages are there. You can learn one by one. Okay, if you want to take, suppose if you want to learn Python, you can just click on Python, and they provide you syllabus, exercises, and many others. So you can go this website as a, if you want to learn languages as a beginner, you can go to this website and practice. Okay, so it is very beneficial if you are a beginner. It provide you some of the skills you should develop in that website. Okay, let us talk now about the languages you should learn as a beginner. Okay, if you are a beginner, you can go with C languages. It depends upon your career you want to become. If you suppose you want to become a web developer, so which languages you should learn, I will tell you that. Okay, if you want to become a web developer, you can go with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript first. Okay, you can go with HTML. It depends upon your choice which language you should choose. Okay, so if you ask my opinion, tell you that you can go with that C language. Okay, C language is one of the best languages you can go with. You can go with C languages and JavaScript first. Okay, it's upon your choice which you want to select the language. Okay, and then you can go with PHP and etc. And JavaScript, you know, as it very helpful in backend and front end of the web page. So you can learn JavaScript first. It is depends upon your choice which language you should learn, but from my opinion you should learn first JavaScript. It is very helpful. Okay, your basics and your concepts will be clear in these languages. Okay, so it depends upon your selective goals which languages you should learn. And if you ask from me, I which language I have learned first, so I have gone with first HTML in my school times. So I have learned first HTML, then CSS, and then with JavaScript. So now the HTML and these languages have become little bit old, so you can go with CS languages as it have many career opportunities. I will show you some of the table from where you can see it here. Okay, so I will open one image and you can take here a review of those languages which have high standards, high goal in future. Okay, so there is Clojure, Fe, Elixir, Erlang, Perl, Ruby, Scala, Rust, Go, USP. So if you are a beginner, you have not heard about these languages, but they are more complicated. You can't go with them first. Okay, so for these languages you have to clear your concepts. So you have to learn first languages which clear your concepts. Like I have told you, C languages is, you can go with Python is a very easy language, you can go with that. Okay, you have to just start with the language, then automatically your basics concepts will become clear and you can go with other languages. So from my preference, you should go with HTML first. I have also in my BTech CS I have gone with HTML and then CSS then Java. You can go with HTML or C languages first, then you can go with other languages like JavaScript and etc. And then if coming to web app development, you can go with JavaScript first other than Kotlin. You can just clear your concepts in JavaScript. It helps to you become a front end and back end of the web page. So it is also good at websites web development, so you can go with that also. In app development you should go with that Java one. Okay, and coming to basics, you can go with HTML. And this is all for the today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys like, subscribe and comment. See you in next video.